I'm in an Audi RS4. Next to me is a Tesla Model 3 Performance, and next to that is a BMW M3. So I've got a twin turbo 2.9 litre V6 with 450 horsepower and 600 Newton meters. Got all-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic gearbox, and this car costs £62,000. The Tesla has twin electric motors, 450 horsepower, 640 Newton meters, and of course it's all-wheel drive. Doesn't have a gearbox, it's electric. It costs £57,000. Now the BMW M3, that has a 3-litre twin-turbo straight 6 with 430 horsepower and 550 Newton meters of torque. It's rear-wheel drive and has a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox with launch control, and it costs £60,000. Now before we race, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so you're alerted whenever we make a new upload. Also, make sure you're following us on Instagram at CarWowCars. Okay, let's do this. Oh, neck and neck start. This is going to be close. That Tesla's pulling now. What the heck has happened? Oh no! Once it's going, it's pretty even, but that thing just pulls away. Like when this is changing gear, that doesn't have to, and it just keeps on going, that Tesla. Oh, hello BMW, yeah, you weren't really in it, were you? Always a problem with an M3, trying to get that traction, rear wheel drive, all that torque going through the rear wheels. It struggles. This doesn't, this just flies. And there we go, there's your result. So then, what exactly happened? The Tesla Model 3 Performance did the standing quarter mile in 11.8 seconds. The Audi RS4 took 12.1 seconds. And the BMW M3, 12.7 seconds. Now we can have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. Me and the BMW are in auto mode, everything in auto, as you would be when you're cruising along, and obviously the Tesla's in auto as well. So let's see what happens. 3, 2, 1, go! Kick down gearbox. Oh, by the time this is kicked down, that Tesla's shot off. Also, the BMW kicked down much better than this. Can I catch the Tesla? The BMW's just passed it now. I'm doing 130. I'm gonna have to brake. I'm out of space. Well, if we're driving on the German Autobahn or on a runway, the BMW won that. But if it's the real world on a UK road, the Tesla would have won. Anyway, I'm going to give it to the BMW. So, one for the Tesla, one for the BMW, and nothing for the Audi. Okay, final challenge then. We're going to have a brake test from 70 miles an hour. When we hit the cone, full emergency stop. See what's going to happen. Oh, yes! Well, I didn't win one. The BMW won that. It is the lightest car though, at 1,550 kilos. This is the second lightest at 1,750 kilos, and the heaviest is the Tesla because of all its batteries. That's 1,850 kilos, and it kind of played out like that. To be fair, that BMW does have carbon ceramic brakes, though they don't really help that much when you're doing one-off brake testing. It's more for like lack of fade when you're on a track. So 2 to the BMW, 1 to the Tesla, and nothing to the Audi. Came second twice though, which is quite good. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to follow me on my own personal YouTube channel, that's Matt Watson Cars, which are just behind the scenes kind of stuff, and me with my old crappy cars. None of these cool new things.